today this is a Blender tutorial. Now, first I don't know what to call that, like move around. To move around, you press middle mouse button and then just hold down middle mouse button and just move around your mouse and it'll work. And to pan around, use shift middle mouse and then it'll hold down middle mouse and then it'll work. You can also use these, I guess. I don't really use them. There's also this glow thing you can use. You can go on specific axes, I guess. Anyways, there's also this mode, which I don't know, and you don't have to care about it. Don't really have to care about it. And now, to grab an object, you select the object, press G, and yeah, have fun with it. Now, to add in an object, you can, and to scale an object actually, you can press S. And to undo an action, press Command Z. You probably know that. And yeah, at the top bar you might see Z's. This is X-ray mode. I guess this is material preview, and this is viewport shading. Okay. Now, also two render engines. If you're in layout mode or material preview, you won't see anything. But when you go here, you can see noise. Now what it is doing here is when you command D, I guess, shift D, to duplicate another hotkey, shift D to another thing, shift D to duplicate, and then go back to the EB. Oh yeah, it won't. Yeah. You'll see why exactly will you not want EB in this tutorial. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna go back to normal. Anyways, so now there's also a thing called edit mode you can enter by hitting tab or selecting this and selecting edit mode, and then do stuff. You can like subdivide it like 4 times, and then yeah, you can also move around vertices. Now there's also proportional editing. We're not going to really talk about in this series, so I'm showing you. To do it, you have to grab this vertex G, and you'll see that it grabs everything in the radius, and to increase that radius, you can scroll down. To decrease it, scroll up. And yeah, let's just subdivide it. There's also a thing called and to delete things, you press X. On edit mode it does that, but you can just press delete. And you can do something like dissolve vertices. Yeah, but You don't really know. You have to know what I'm doing right. What I'm gonna do. Then tip this off, yeah. Okay. Anyways, I mean, that's about it. One thing, you can add a material. It's already added for me. But when you add material by pressing this new button, you can now in this thing mode, it doesn't do anything because it doesn't show color. That's the thing. So if you go here, yeah, it's yellow now, I guess. X to delete. To add an object, you press add, mesh, and go and add like a monkey or something. Now the last thing I'll talk about is the subdivision surface. It's going to be used a lot of times. And also the shade smooth. Now you'll see the difference between them. Yeah, this looks jagged, right? Because it doesn't, it ignores the, I do not know what why it's different, but yeah, I'll get used to it. Anyways, that's it for the tutorial. Bye.